Microsoft introduced new Microsoft 365 Copilot. Humans are hardwired to dream, to create, to innovate. Microsoft 365 Copilot is a generative artificial intelligence (AI) technology based on GPT-4, a large language model (LLM) created by OpenAI. It is integrated into the apps people use every day, helping them stay in the flow of work and freeing them to focus more on the task at hand and less on the busy work. Copilot in Word writes, edits, summarizes, and creates right alongside people as they work. It is a kind of personal assistant that leverages the power of AI technology based on GPT-4 to reuse information stored in Microsoft 365 to perform tasks. The idea is that the AI can take care of creating basic documents and leave users to refine and complete the content. Copilot is a kind of personal assistant on steroids. It brings artificial intelligence to a range of programs, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams.
The urge to connect to the core of our work lives in all of us. But today, we spend too much time consumed by the drudgery of work on tasks that zap our time, creativity, and energy. To reconnect to the soul of our work, we don't just need a better way of doing the same things. We need a whole new way to work.